Hyper, please. How are you doing? Um, Today I am going to react to RM Forever Rain music video. If you are wondering where is Ilyana, well, she is in school, and I am actually getting ready for work. It is like 15 minutes before I leave for work, but I said let me just make this reaction before I go to work, and hopefully I don't shed tears, but who knows. I'm just gonna get into it because I am in a rush and I just wanted to just get it over with.
종일 비가 왔으면 좋겠어. 누가 나 대신해 좀 울어줬으면 해서. Yeah, 종일 비가 왔으면 좋겠어. 그럼 사람들이 날 쳐다보질 않았어. Yeah, 우산이 슬픈 얼굴 가려주니까 빗속에선 사람들도 저마다 바쁘니까 좀만 느리게 숨 쉴래. 평소에 내 삶도 내 랩도 너무 빠르니까 지금 모든 게 저 위치로 하늘에 나의 그림자가 비추고 난 어둠을 딛고 서 있어. 고개를 밑으로 내 발 뒤꿈치로.
Wait!
Yeah, slow rap, slow jam, slow rain, everything slow. Slow rap,
Slow jam, slow rain, everything slow. Okay. Wait. Why does this sound like he's in pain? I mean, I don't know. I'm just gonna finish it up.
조금은 나 친구가 있다는 기분이 들어. 자꾸 내 창문들을 두드려. 잘 지내냐면서 안부를 물어.
Oh, he's not doing well.
여전히 삶의 인질 죽지 못해 살진 않지만 뭔가에 묶였지. 나도 너처럼 어딘가 두드릴 수만 있다면 온 세상에 진하게 입 맞출 수 있다면 그 누군가 나를 맞아줄까. 내 고된 몸을 어쩜 받아줄까. 제발 아무것도 묻지마. 그냥 영원히 내려줘.
I will stay. Oh my god. Slow rains, everything slow. Oh.
When it rains, it pours. When it rains, it pours.
Oh my god. Oh, I have goosebumps. Alright, let's talk. I can't talk. It is 3:23 and I have to leave for work in like less than 5 minutes. Why did it sounded like RM is still battling something? I thought this whole entire time after this era, after the Love Yourself era, I actually thought that everybody or like everyone is like feeling okay because the Love Yourself. It's the answer, is loving yourself. I guess at some point he's. Oh my god. Well, I really don't know, but it's worth to actually watch it. Like, if I'm late, so be it. I'll blame RM. I was gonna do this morning, but I could not. And now I did. So, again, that's a reaction for today. And if you're wondering where you're at, or where am I filming, I'm filming in my makeup room / closet. So, thank you, Purplies, for watching. I'm scared to be alone in the camera. That's why I didn't talk that much. But as you can see, the emotion is there. Listening, reading the lyrics, understanding his feelings is all I could give you guys. So, thank you for watching. I will see you with my partner on our next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.